New Year's Eve to everyone. Happy holidays. I'm excited. I'm actually really excited for 2025, and you should be too. I'm not one of these people that like to make New Year's resolutions because I feel like you can change whenever you want to change. You have the strength and the power inside you. But I'm just so happy that I'm in crypto, and you should all be happier in crypto. And again, I don't give, sorry, my nose is itchy. I don't give financial advice. But just knowing that Germany has only $671 worth of Bitcoin, you should strive to beat them. You really, really, really should. But we're going to go ahead and just do a quick crypto update on the markets, what's going on. And as always, I'm WendyO. I talk everything crypto every single day. To get more, make sure you subscribe with alerts set, smash the like, and drop me a comment. But we're going to go ahead and talk about a couple things that have been coming out. Apparently, crypto payments are coming to X. What this could mean for XRP. Because again, Ripple XRP, it's one of those coins that people expected to do all of these things, and then they got unjustly sued by the SEC. And going into 2025, we know that we're getting a pro-crypto administration. The war on crypto is kind of over, but not. There's still some things that need to be done, especially by Congress. And really, in general, we still kind of don't know what we're going to get. We are assuming we're going to get pro-crypto policy, but a lot of people think that everyone's going to get pro-crypto policy, but it might only be for institutional investors, accredited investors, not necessarily retail. So it's something that we do have to continue to push. But with, potential payments coming to X, those CBDCs, all of this, we are definitely going to see some change. And if you thought you were talking to me in DMs, you were not. You were talking to an impersonator. It's very, very clear on all my socials. So sorry to hear that you were talking to an impersonator. As always, you guys, as always. Be very careful who you talk to on the internet. Don't talk to strangers, and do not give people personal information or send anyone money. Never, ever, ever do that. It could be dangerous. But with all the controversy surrounding Ripple and Tether and whatnot, and a funny story, the Tether CEO posted, it is December 31st and Tether has not collapsed. Tether is very much still in business. Everything is okay with it. The reason why there was a lot of Tether FUD coming out is because the EU essentially banned it in most cases, meaning that crypto exchanges were kind of delisting it because of MiCA regulations. And that's one of the things that I talk about is we know we're getting regulation in the United States when it comes to crypto, but we don't know exactly what we are going to get. And a good example of that is seeing kind of what's happening in the EU. And yes, Tether did have to do a few things that they didn't do. USDC went ahead and did that. But at the same time, Tether's been around for a very, 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 very long time. And I did swap all of my all of my Tether to USDC just in case. Because we always get Tether FUD. And again, I will never get caught holding the bag ever. And always let you guys know what's going to happen. And I've said multiple times that USDC will be the CBDC of the United States of America. And I know that we have RLUSD, which is Ripple's stable coin. And yes, XRP does provide liquidity for that and different stuff. So RLUSD was going to run on Ethereum and XRPL. So things are going to get interesting. And I feel like we might, depending on what happens with the Ripple case, we might kind of see this little battle between USDC and RLUSD to see what it's going to be. But let's go ahead and just do a quick market update. Quick market update. And then we're going to get into a little bit of the news, and then I'm going to wish you guys well for the new year. I'm excited. I hope you're bullish for 2025. But anyways, this is on the weekly. AI16Z is something that we talked to you guys about at a $20 million market cap. Shout out to Raider. He lives in the trenches. But this thing is up and it hit a $2 billion market cap. It had a $2 billion market cap earlier today. And it's just absolutely insane. AI agents and any AI, not any AI, they're not all built the same, but AI16Z is something that it's something that I hold and something that I do think will do well incredibly long term. Also, to kind of corroborate on this, is AI agents perfectly pair well the dawn of corporation. And this is from the Bitwise CEO. He basically saying the rise of AI agents is reminiscent of the beginning of the corporation era 2 centuries ago. I think it perfectly parallels to 19th century advent of the corporation, able to enter contract itself, hire human beings, own things, and outlive people. The Bitwise CEO, Hunter Horsley, said, in a December 30th X post reflecting on the current state of AI agents. Corporations were feared back in the day and now number in millions. We all work for them and they produce everything we consume. So the difference between AI agents in crypto and AI and just in general with corporations is that if it's not done properly, people are going to get absolutely wrecked. Like the idea that a lot of people have for AI is that AI is going to help improve your quality of life. Like with AI 16Z and some of these other projects, you can essentially make agents that do different tasks and different things for you that can essentially automate different parts of your life to make it easier so that you can spend more time with family or spend more time doing X, Y, Z, whatever it is you want to do. So I would love to have my crypto journey completely automated so I don't have to really do anything. So I could just wake up, roll out of bed, come chat with you guys and go spend time with my daughter and not have to worry about too much trading or investing. So I feel like we're going to see a lot of that stuff. But at the same time, you do have to keep in mind if we don't have our voices heard and if we're not actively paying attention to what's going on, we don't want to happen with AI to happen to do what the corporations do and essentially take everything from us and make quality of life not good. That's what we don't want to do. But, you know, I'm here. I'm going to ride the wave and ride the trends and all of that. So shout out to AI16Z for hitting a $2 billion market cap. Absolutely incredible. And a lot of people had bad things to say about it, but look where we are now. Now, taking a look at the daily, virtual is up 17%, PP is up, FTN, Litecoin. And then as far as Bitcoin goes, just to kind of take a look at the market, I submitted a statement to Forbes Crypto last night regarding Bitcoin price action, and we have been in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend since December 17th, 2024. Earlier today, we got a swing high to $96,000, but we have not been able to sustain it. And it actually does look like we might get a positive push up tomorrow. Taking a look at the 4-hour, we rocked up to 95,000 and we're also heading down. So we'll have to see kind of what happens. We might get a little bit of volatility here, but essentially I just want to see us break above the trend line. But at the end of the day, guys, if we hit 89,000, if we hit 80,000, I don't mind. I will just simply buy more. I will buy more Solana. I will buy more Link, the rest of it. I don't tell you guys what to buy, when to buy. I talk about different projects. I let you guys know what's going on, what I'm doing, but ultimately the choice for you guys to buy and invest and do all that is up to you. As far as the total cryptocurrency market cap, 3.28 trillion. I could see us going down to $3 trillion and I could see us breaking up higher. Either way, it doesn't matter. And I do hope we get a drop. I really, really do, because we do have a lot of really junk coins out there, all the meme coins and whatnot. But at the same time, I'm excited for Bitcoin. Like, we're going to see all new highs in 2025. We have BlackRock buying Bitcoin. We have MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin. We have companies all over the place wanting to buy absurd amounts of Bitcoin. Where's this story over here? Bitcoin Magazine. This over here. Just in, Swiss initiative to add Bitcoin to Constitution has been published in the Federal Gazette for signatures. And this is out in Switzerland. Everybody wants to buy Bitcoin. Federal People's Initiative for a financially strong, sovereign, and responsible Switzerland banking initiative. So there's that. That's what came with that as well. And then, of course, Franklin Templeton. Bitcoin will solidify its position as a global financial asset acting as a digital store of wealth, accelerated by sovereign and institutional adoption. We expect to see Bitcoin strategic reserves added by several nations. Then they go on to talk about DePIN, and we've covered a lot of DePIN on the channel. They went ahead to cover about the convergence of AI and crypto, with blockchains providing transparency and verification pivotal for expanding the AI-driven economy. AI agents will utilize blockchain rails to automate on-chain transactions, portfolio management, etc. These are the guys with money talking. Countries are talking about Bitcoin. Traditional financial firms are talking about Bitcoin, and they're essentially late because we've been here. So take that and give yourself a pat on the back and keep working hard and keep pushing forward. Now, I do want to talk about, and also make sure to smash a like and share this. Smash like and share. And also shout out to the channel member. Shout out to gorgeous Alexandra. Appreciate you being here. If you guys would like to be a channel member, that would be great. It's like $5 or something like that. I don't know. But I give you special shout outs and happy New Year's to everyone, no matter where you are in the world. Happy New Year's. And I do want to talk to you guys about this, what's going to happen if we do get crypto payments happening on X. Okay. Because again, X is the essential. Elon Musk wants to make X an all-in-one platform. So we will see. This is from Brian Armstrong. This is from Travis Bloom. Travis Bloom is an engineer lead for Coinbase. He says, hey, Elon Musk, when is X going to let me send other users USDC on Base? Seems like a clear, productive win. Brian Armstrong going out there trying to do some PR says this would be a great feature. X team, let's talk. So first and foremost, I've said to you guys, Base is going to be where you can do your decentralized stuff, your self-sovereign stuff, your custody stuff, but Coinbase is going to be the crypto bank. Okay, and that's why they created their own blockchain with no token, and that's why they made it an Ethereum layer 2 solution. Because Ethereum was one of the safer bets. That's why they did that. And I think it's really funny that they're talking about USDC because Coinbase is heavily invested in USDC. They're one of the big backers from, I want to say, the beginning. USDC is going to be the chosen one. So this just kind of tells you where we're going. If you kind of read between the lines and you remember previous news story and whatnot. Thank you. I'm going to take it down a little bit when I take my baby. When we get ready for dinner, me and my baby are going to go for a little bit. My little daughter. And we're going to celebrate my nephew's birthday. Super exciting. But anyway, so now we're seeing like this discourse being discussed between Coinbase and Base and USDC and whatnot. Why would Elon Musk prioritize USDC on Base when he could just prioritize USDC? X is getting money transmitter license, but that's probably going to be for cash. So a lot of people are speculating that it might be for crypto stuff. And I don't think we're there yet. I think we will be there eventually, but it's not going to be there with crypto payments yet. It's going to be with fiat first, and then we're going to see what happens with the laws and regulations. But what does this mean for RLUSD? That leads me to my next little my little thought over here. This is from Mr. John Dean. John Dean, the attorney that ran against Elizabeth Warren and also represent about 75,000 XRP holders globally. In this thread over here, he's talking about he responded to a post about Ripple competitor Fireblocks. They offer cross-border payments, tokenization, and more, and they're working on AI agents as payment operators, which again, more AI agents. So start to pay attention to this sector. Start to. If you want to make money, you will. And I'm not telling you to put money into everything. I'm just saying pay attention. And they said they've moved $6 trillion in USDT and USDC, MoonPay, Bitso, Stellar, and payment partners. So the key points from his response here is that in 2012, listen to this, Ripple chose cross-border payments over smart contracts due to the absence of stablecoins. And that's true. When Ripple came out, they were trying to deal with cross-border payments because we did not have stablecoins. We didn't. We had USDT, but I think that came later. So they saw a massive opportunity in the payments market. And XRP was recognized for its fast, low-cost payments. And way back in the day when we used to trade, we would actually convert profit sometimes into XRP and then send it around to do all different types of stuff because it was more affordable. Or cash, put our Bitcoin in XRP, send it to the exchange, and then trade, do whatever, transfer it back. But in this thread, he says the SEC lawsuit classified all XRP as unregistered securities, leading to Coinbase delisting XRP and MoneyGram switching to XLM. SEC officials who filed the lawsuit later worked with Ripple's competitors. The global market for cross-border payments exceeds $150 trillion in 2022, projected to hit $250 by 2027. The SEC sweeping complaint severely damaged Ripple's business, despite parallels between XRP and competitors like XLM. So basically, what Deaton is saying here is now, like, Ripple was the one that was attacked first, primarily because they were the first to do what they were going to do, to deal with the cross-border payments. This is a $150 trillion industry. $150 billion industry, billions and billions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. Well, trillions. So of course it makes sense that the SEC and unjust and public servants are going to go out, and the banking industry is going to go after XRP. And now, you know, seeing things kind of shift over a little bit. We're now going into 2025. We've got, you know, a lot of people, we got the people from Ripple meeting with Trump administration and whatnot. So I guess what I want to leave you with today is, the lawsuit between Ripple might be ending soon. It might be ending soon. And with that being said, I think it's going to be a battle between USDC and RLUSD, depending on what type of regulation we get. I don't think Ripple is going anywhere. I think once a lawsuit is over or it's settled, it's just completely done with, things are going to switch. But right now, I feel more comfortable holding USDC than any other stable coin. And I'm going to kind of watch to see what happens with the RLUSD. But depending on what happens with the lawsuit and whatnot, we should see some very interesting things happen for XRP in 2025, in my opinion, for Bitcoin, really for the entire crypto market. And I don't know if Elon Musk is going to push out crypto payments on X yet, but it will be coming. It will be coming. It's going to take a while though. But on that note, you guys, we have so much bullishness happening in the entire industry. I know this market is a little bit different than it was previous markets or cycles, but at the end of the day, be thankful you're here. Continue to self-educate yourself. Continue to just study and to figure out where you fit in this industry and make as much money as ethically as possible, because that's what it's here for. Okay. Take care of yourself, your families, and your communities. And I'm telling you, your goal should be to hold more Bitcoin than Germany, as they hold only $671. But on that note, I am out. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will catch you. I might drop something for you around 3 p.m. PST, but if not, I will catch you tomorrow. And thank you so, so, so much. Bye-bye.